Hi there, I'm Diederik, and today we get you started with your GOM Inspect. In this Getting Started, we'll be teaching you how to use the workflow assistance. Feel free to pause at any point to follow along, and there is chapter segments if you wish to skip ahead. Let's get started. A very useful feature if you're just getting started with 3D scanning and want to have some guidance for your scanning is the workflow assistance that is inside the GOM Inspect software. There are several workflows for manual and semi-automated scanning, which enable the software to walk you through your normal scanning tasks, no matter what solution you're using from us. And today, I want to show you this easy feature together with the Atos Q. Here on the left-hand side, you find the workflow assistance. And you can see that I can also scan multiple parts simultaneously. How this works is explained in another video of scanning multiple parts. But for this job, we will select the workflow assistance to scan a single part in a manual way. We select the scanning template and you see that additional data that is captured, for example, the table, is cut out automatically, and that the system will automatically determine its exposure time. Once you have selected the workflow, the software guides you through the next possible steps for your scanning process. So, let's start with the manual scanning, and you see that the software guides you what to do. Is the part in front of the sensor? Am I too close, too far away? Here the distance radar helps us. Or do you have enough reference points in case you want to use them? As you know, it's not always needed to use reference points. You can also do without. But using reference points enables the software to transform these measurements easy and fast, simply because it's easier to calculate. My first scan is created, and the background can be cut away. Now I can continue with manual scanning. And all these scans are transformed automatically by the software. As I also want to scan the other side of the part, I now turn around the part and select Prepare Scanning Second Side. Also here, the software tells me to put at least 3 reference points on the part that are visible from both sides. That can be measured and transformed in a reliable way. The software automatically starts with a new measurement series, and you can continue scanning as you've done before, but now on this side. Of course, we can also use the remote control to start the scanning. After I finish the scanning of the other side, the software gives me the option to transform both sides so we can get a complete scan of this part. When this is done, I can select Finish Scanning and create my final mesh. This mesh can now be used to support you in 3D printing or reverse engineering, or as mentioned in the workflow assistance, we can also start with inspection if needed. So, with this, I want to finish for today on the use of the workflow assistance in GOM Inspect. And remember, it works with all of your systems. If you experienced anything different from what you've seen here today, or if you have any questions or issues with your GOM Inspect, please reach out to us via support@handsonmetrology.com. And for more getting started information, please check out the other videos as well. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.